so far, I relate my life to this picture the most. So most of you might see this as a stressful situation, delays, or different cars. But for me, I see it as a reminder of how I view life because even though there are different cars, you're still going to same destination. So for me, life is just like that. No matter what you have or where you are still going in the same destination, which is death. So, if you've known me for a long time, or if you are my classmate from last year, you might notice that I don't have much things because I'm not very materialistic person because I'm into adventures, experiences. So if you ask me what I have, I might show you just a few. But if you ask me where I've been, what I did, who I've known, who I encountered or known, I actually can tell you about so many things because I've experienced so much at my age. Like, I've traveled so much, I've known people, different people, and I can talk to anyone. And in just less than 5 minutes, I can open their heart and make them tell things they don't usually say to others. And that's how I perceive this stressful situation in life.